Hello and welcome to this quick video on how to manage residents, add them, remove them, modify their information. So just go under Manage, click on Manage Residents, and here you can view a list of all the residents. Now let's say you want to delete a few residents. All you have to do is press, hold, and then you can select a few residents. There you go. And then all you have to do is click on the Delete button. Awesome. Now let's say we want to modify the information for one of the residents, right? It's rather simple. Just go here, edit, and then you can change the email. You can also add a phone number if you want to send them a phone number notification, and you enable it here. You can also disable email notifications, but now if you try to save, it's not going to let you because there's no way of notifying. So you have to have at least one of these methods enabled. But yeah, that is it. And you can go back. Now let's say you want to add a resident. It's rather simple. It's at Joe, blogs, email joe at parceltracker.com, and joe at parceltracker.com. We're not going to give a phone number, flat 1, and then we're going to enable email notifications, and we're going to create this user. It gives you a summary of all the information. You can just go back. Let's say now we want to delete him. Again, very simple, delete. You can also search for tenants based on their name at the top, or based on their room number. It's a very simple system to use, very intuitive. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out.